Oh, the school began being integrated in 1954 with the case of Brown versus Board of Education. There were still a lot of other places practicing segregation. And on this day in history, at the time, small town of San Antonio made history over lunch. Audrey Castrano is joining us right now to explain. Hey, Audrey.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, March 16th, 1960, San Antonio was the first South Texas town to integrate lunch counters. According to the book African Americans in South Texas History, on March 13th, 1960, the San Antonio Youth Council of the NAACP sent some letters to different city members saying, they wanted to integrate lunch counters. And then on the 16th, which would be 57 years ago today, they put that act into motion, integrating the first lunch counter. There was no violence, but a few people did make some ugly calls and some people ended their accounts with that restaurant, but it still went through. The move, it was a response to what had just taken place in North Carolina with the 4 African American college students who held a sit-in at a lunch counter. The book goes on to explain that days after, a banquet was held with the city to celebrate equality in San Antonio, and the move led to the creation of the San Antonio Interracial Committee the following month. So something to be very proud of in the city of San Antonio. Back to you.